I'm about to show you the latest tool I'm releasing from my private toolkit that will build your MU sites with you doing nothing at all. What this does, you've heard of plugins out there that build your WordPress blogs that self-publish, that build just by sitting there and putting a time every 2 hours or so, have it pull new posts. What this is going to do, this is something unlike anything else. I created this about a couple years ago. I've had it in my arsenal for all this time, and I'm just now making it available to the public. I'm cleaning it up so that it's easy for the public to use. Uh, these are tools that basically what it does is it will auto-generate a MU blog for you just by simply visiting a non-existent blog on your MU installation. I'm going to show you a couple of them. One of them that was just created. Um, Basically, this was just created, and the way this works is when it goes to a blog that does not exist, it will auto create it and it will auto populate it, and then it will 301 redirect to the main blog URL up here. There are a couple query string parameters you need to enter when you create a blog. Basically, this blog was created by just me, created in a matter of a few seconds, actually. Um, so I'm going to get back to the home page here. The feeds I'm using the BlogSlammer Server Edition feeds. Um, because what they do is they'll take a source feed such as an eBay feed, and they will regenerate a brand new feed. If I go back to this blog, you're going to see I have the eBay's RSS description right here. If you wanted to, you could put your campaign ID and you can put your campaign ID through EPN to get credit for the bid now, or you can throw other ads in here if you want in the blog at the BlogSlammer Server Edition level. Anyways, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna demonstrate it. Uh, Basically, these blogs get created three ways: either by search engine spider visit. When the spider visits a special URL, a blog URL that doesn't exist with a couple query string parameters, it gets created, populated, and redirects to the newly created blog, to the 301 redirect. So the search engine will resolve the long URL to the newly created blog. That's the first way. Second way, it can get created by you entering in the URL here, or by a user simply doing a search, and I'll show you that in a second. Um, and the third way is very interesting. Is you can put. I have another little hack on the home page here. In the updated blogs here, these are blogs that do exist. But on the first one, I always throw in. I have a little hack that will auto-generate a URL for a blog that does not exist. When a user clicks on it, it'll get built and it'll get populated. And I'm going to go ahead and click on it. You're going to see. If you look at the URL bar down there, it's a special URL, and it gets redirected to a newly created blog. Now, this is done either by a search engine spider visit or a user click. Either or will get this blog created, populated, and indexed. Okay, I'm going to go back. I'm going to refresh. I'm going to reload this page real fast. Okay, and you have the Get MySpace Superstore down here. That's now an official blog on this site that is saved and saved for all time. It has created about 10 to 15 posts, and all posts have self-published to Pingomatic that will get this blog out there in the blog aggregators. And then what it does is when I come back here, I get a newly created link up here. This is all configurable via the PHP file, and it's included with this with this software. Okay, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna show you how this works. I'm gonna enter in a blog that doesn't exist. I'm gonna say let's see. I'll do iPod blog. That's fine. And you enter in a couple of query string parameters. First is a Q for the query you're trying to populate it with. I'm going to say equals. I'm going to say iPod shuffle, and then you can an optional parameter is the title. What do you want the title of your newly created blog to be? And remember, once the search engine visits spiders this link up here, 301 redirects to the resolved blog. I'm going to say buy iPod online. Okay, I'm going to hit enter. Takes about 2 or 3 seconds, and what it's doing is creating the blog, and now it's going out to the server edition to get the feed, and there you go. This blog is now a fixed blog on the system. If I were to strategy would be for if I were to get a bunch of links and then randomly change the first guy, randomly change the query string, you can build a MU site very easily without even having to be logged into your MU site. Now, the second area I was talking about is have users build your blogs for you. And of course, a user could build your blog simply by, let me go ahead and reload this page, simply by clicking on this first updated blog here, or I'm going to come back to my brand new blog, Buy iPods Online, or you can incorporate this search box here that it's kind of a pseudo search. It's unlike any other search you've ever seen. Most of these searches will dynamically pull content and show you what it found at the moment. At the moment the user clicks search. What this does, this basically will build a brand new blog, and once again the parameters are configurable for you to point it to RSS feed you want, and they're configurable to how you want your blog IDs to be named and titles and so forth. So I'm going to search for, let's see, I'm going to search for iPhone 3G. I'm going to click search. Now, what's going to happen here, all it's doing is it's going out and it's creating a new blog and populating it with iPhone 3G, and it's redirecting to it. And there you go. This is a brand new blog just created, and this will allow users to create your MU site for you. I have a free blog hosting site out there that gets about maybe 600 to 800 uniques a day, not from the bloggers, but from people coming in searching, either searches or people who are subscribing to other people's blogs. And I get about 100 to 150 blogs created a day via this search box. You can use a search box. The search box is implemented by adding some code to the WordPress theme. I am incorporating this in the header, or you can override the form action here to point it to the PHP file I include with this installation. So basically that's it. I just wanted to demonstrate my new set of WordPress hacks that I'm starting to release. And if you have any questions, as always, just contact me via the board or via email. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.